So now we are moving to this toilet, the door, the window. Now here we have 0.6. Yeah, 0.6. So as I have said, it's also allowed for you not to just clean and just put your two double line. This one is still up. So that one like that is also allowed. Then your door, just measure your 750. That one is done. Then this bedroom 0.6 to the right dietary line. Alright, that is done. Then the door 900. Everything. There's another window here. So there's a door here. Now this door is a swing door. So because it's a swing door and it's a double door, one so it's gonna be 1.8. It's 1.8. So you can use um the compass to make an arc. Now left with the last window. This is 0.6. So now then the door for the WC 150. So now my if, which is 0.6, 0.6, 0.6 is done with dash line. Here is also 0.6. Then followed by 0.6 here. Oh, there's my if. I've done my if. Then what is now left is the sectional view, this part. So it cuts across the window. So it's going to be done with chain line, one long line, then dash line, long line, dash line, long line, dash line, cut through the brim, long line, then to move this way, long line, small dot, long line, like now going down to cut through the window, long line, small line, long dot, long dot, long dot, cut through the if, then your arrow to show the direction we are facing, y, cut through the y. So here is the plan to end a full mark. Right, so much. Please subscribe. It takes a lot of effort and editing. Thank you so much.